The Max Connect system is incredibly robust. It has multiple features built into it, such as full ticketing controls, email alerts, easy setup, and as you'll see when you look at the screen, a unique feature is each one of the games are named, and that editing can be done online very simply. I'm going to show the basics of the system. You press login. The admin has a default. I'm going to go into the admin screen. You'll see that the admin functions are there, the operator function, the location function, and this is fit with an electronic USB cache drawer, which is date and time stamped and user recorded, and a user logout. These are the 5 active machines, and these are the 5 active units on the machines themselves. Logging in as an admin, going into the admin functions, you can see system info here. There's a location, name and address. You can set your limit for your vouchers. You can set what type of printer is being used, either a Citizen POS, an Epson POS, or it will use the onboard printers on select Gen Mega ATM or ticket redemptional terminals. It's an advanced system. Right now I have the barcode functioning. I have the scanner on and the ticket redemption terminal is off. If I press that button, I can enable this system to run with the Big Daddy ticket redemption terminal systems. Sales tax is an option for Wisconsin. I can turn that off and on. I've got that on. Here's your game count. This will work on up to 70 plus machines. It'll work on any third-party game with meters. I have the POS BV on, and the transfer of the system is on. I can now set up individual games for their pulse values in and out. Sometimes there are legacy games that are quarter in, nickel out. This will accommodate any of the legacy systems. I can set up the individual games on location by name. A great feature here is I can create different splits for different games. There might be a later game that, say the operator split is 60, the location gets 40. Here it's all set 50-50, but these can be all custom set by the user of the system. And then I've got different information interesting in game rooms. There's what they call groups. The system is the overall controller, but you can set up different groups for different machines. Say in a 60 game location, you have 10 by one operator, 30 by another, 20 by another. Those can all be set up and collected individually, and the reports printed individually as well. So it's very robust that way. There's also remote dashboards that is being used. This is a setup for utilizing the remote dashboard on the system. You have the operator system, where with the operator itself, you press one button, it's a one button collect. You can reprint the last collection. You can print your lifetime and your period. What's interesting about that is I'm just going to collect this location, and it does it in a matter of seconds. Now I've got a full detailed collection report with all the information needed with just the touch of a button. The location has their own set of books, and they can do that by utilizing the shift. So you can have a location collect the machines, remove the money daily, and it will give them an accurate count to follow of what the amount is in each machine. And then they can print that shift report, and by pressing clear shift, they will have now reset it for the next day. You have a full voucher history showing paid and unpaid. I can actually take a ticket. If it's unpaid, I can reprint that voucher, and once again that voucher is active. When it's scanned as a one-time use barcode, it shows paid. and I can clear the full ticket history. This is just some of what the system can do. It's the truly most advanced remote ticketing and crediting system and full accounting system on the market today.